Okay, so chapter 4 is about atoms. And then the definition of atom is the smallest particle that retains its identity during a chemical reaction. And the first person to figure out about atom was Democritus. And then after that, Dalton, he transformed the idea into the atomic theory. And the idea was that all element have atom, and the same element have the same element have the same atoms, and then atom of different element can physically be mixed and chemically combined in simple whole ratio to form compound. And during a chemical reaction, atom is separated, joined, or rearranged, and but the atom of the element do not change. And then but then they figured out that atom was not indivisible, and it can be break down into subatomic particle, which contain neutron, electron, and proton. Electrons are negatively charged and have a 0 AMU, and proton is positively charged with 1 AMU, and so is neutron, but it's had no charge. And then after that, they figured out about the atomic nucleus, which consists of the proton and the neutron, and they decided to write it like this. So the top number represents the mass number, and the bottom is the atomic number. And so we figured out, since the nucleus consists of the neutron and proton, so we can use that number, the atomic mass, to figure out the number of proton and neutrons in the element. And also, we also learn about ions, which is formed when element loses or gain electrons. So they pretty much have the same number of protons at the atom, but then they have different charge. And then we also learn about isotope, which is they have different mass because they have different number of neutron, but they have the same number of proton. And we also learned about the atomic mass, which is the number in your periodic table, and it is calculated by using this equation. So, do we need to do an example of this? Do you get this?
We get it.
Yeah, we get it, right? About the atomic mass and all that stuff? Okay, so I don't have to do it. Okay, so I'm done.
Yay.